Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the top-down design approach and bottom-up design approach. First of all, we will discuss about the top-down design approach. So in top-down design approach, so the main task will be divided as a subprograms, and these subprograms are implemented and tested individually and integrated to them to form a system. So this is the use of top down design approach. So in top down design approach, the main problem will be divided as a small problems, small part of programs called as a modules. So these modules are developed and tested individually. So the development process will be starts from top to bottom. So that's why it is called as a top down design approach. So next, observe the characteristics of top-down design approach. So first one is hierarchical decomposition. So hierarchical decomposition means the main problem will be divided as a small problems or subparts. Again, these subparts are divided as a subparts, again subparts. So these subparts are also called as a modules, and these modules are linked together, so that is called as a hierarchical decomposition. So hierarchical structure, hierarchical implementation. So top down design approach supports the hierarchical decomposition of a problem. So the problem is decomposed into subparts called as a modules. So next one starts with a big picture. So starts with big picture means so here the program solution of the particular problem or particular system can be provided as a big picture or big view. That is, the first main problem will be divided as a subprograms, and these subprograms are linked together. So this is called as a big picture. So next one, progressive refinement. So progressive refinement means so here the subprograms are modified based on the requirement of the user, or if any errors are arised in subparts or submodules, so these are easily corrected by the programmers. So this is called progressive refinement. Means whenever user needs any addition to the program or adding any functionalities to the program or system, then they can easily add it to the system. So next one is focus on the structure and interface. So the main use of top-down design approach is the main focus on the structure of the program or interfaces. So means here the programs the main task is divided as a submodules or subparts, and these subparts are linked together or integrated together. So this is focusing on the structure of the program or focusing on the submodules regarding to solve a problem. So next one is integration. So integration is nothing but grouping these programs together. So to form a system, all these submodules are integrated together, are connected together with the help of the main program. Okay, this is regarding top-down design approach. Next we will discuss about the bottom-up design approach. So observe this diagram. So here the main program is linked with these modules, so upper level modules. So this is called so bottom up design approach. So in bottom up design approach, so like this manner, the lower level components are divided as a upper level components, or the lower level programs are linked with the upper level programs. So in this way the program structure is like this. So example for bottom up design approach is object oriented programming languages like C++, Java and Python. So example for top-down design approach is C language. Best example is C language or structured programming languages. So next observe what are the characteristics of bottom-up design approach. First one is component centric. So component centric means so here the mainly focusing on the components. So like observe this diagram. So in this diagram only we are mainly focusing on the components, and then these components are linked with the main function. So next incremental integration. So incremental integration means so whenever any changes are required based on the user requirement, so then we can easily add the new functionalities to the existing program, so without facing any problem. So next, early testing. So early testing means so we can easily test the program, we can easily debug the program, we can easily verify the program by using bottom up design approach. So next one, reusability. So reusability means we can easily reusable the existing program. So once these modules once these above modules are developed or designed, so then by using these modules we can easily write the program, so we need not write this extra instructions within our program. So next one, detailed focus. So detailed focus means so here the main program is linked with the above program, above components. So mainly we can focus on the detailed view of the program or detailed implementation of the program. Okay, this is regarding top down design approach and bottom up design approach. So top down design approach advantages are, so it is the hierarchical structure, and here the main program is divided as a subprograms called as a submodules or functions in C language. And the main advantage of top down design approach is so it is easy to implementation, it takes less time, and easy to correct the errors, easy to testing, easy to maintenance. So other than these characteristics, so bottom up design approach is here the main function is linked with the above program. So like by using, we link with the classes. So with the help of the classes in OOP programming, we can create a number of objects, and we can solve our problem. So by using bottom up design approach. Okay, thank you. This is regarding top down design approach and bottom design approach.